Traveler's Guide to Friuli Venezia Giulia. Friuli Venezia Giulia is the north part of Italy in Europe. In Friuli there is the Lignano beach and the water is from the Adriatic Sea. There are 60.36 million people that live in Italy, but in Friuli there are 1.2 million people. Rome is the capital of Italy and Trieste is the capital of Friuli. In Italy you speak in Italian, and in Friuli you speak in Friulano and Italian. There are modern cities in Friuli, but not very tall buildings. The houses are made of stones, bricks, and concrete. There are modern technologies in the cities, but not too much in the villages. In the villages, the houses are made of stones and concrete with some wood. The Adriatic Sea is on one side of Friuli, and on the other side there is Slovenia, Austria, and Veneto. There are lakes, valleys, and mountains, like in the Dolomites and the Alps. Our flag is green, white, and red. The animals that you can find in Friuli are wolves, bears, deer, fox, hawks, bats, and owls. It is warm from May to September. It is cold in the winter. In the mountains, it snows. In Italy, our food is pizza, pasta, and rice, but our original food is frico and frittata. The sports that they play in Italy and in Friuli are tennis, basket, swimming, and football. Friuli is the best region in the world. Please come and visit it.